So we've been using Bluemix since the days when it was in its early beta stages, and we've always been trying to work out what can this service do for us. We are asked by our customers, which are typically cities or city regions, to help them with some of the problems that they have, in particular with some of their citizen services. So we get asked a lot how we might be able to provide new answers for some questions that they're being asked. And we use Bluemix to rapidly develop new solutions for the things that they're being asked for. And what we try and do is we try to iterate really quickly between different versions until we've got something that the customer finds is really useful. So we use a cross of various different Bluemix services, all the way from the simple database management all the way through to some fairly interesting rules management and even predictive analytics. The main benefit for us for Bluemix is the fact that it doesn't really matter if what we've done fails, because it's so quick to be able to have a look and see how we can integrate these services, that if what we did yesterday doesn't work, we can get a new version up and running within a day or so, and we can take that to the customer and say, does this work? And sometimes we've had customers come to us and say, have you really done that so quickly? Have you really taken into account our feedback? We only gave it to you yesterday, and Bluemix has enabled us to rapidly iterate our development process. So we started using Bluemix Garage while we were part of the Cognicity Smart Cities Challenge here in Canary Wharf. And we were asked specifically to try and develop a project that would look at people flow throughout the location that they're based in. And we've been using the similar services all the way through our life of using Bluemix, and we knew that we might need some new services that we hadn't perhaps looked at yet. So we worked with the Bluemix Garage in order to try and help us to try and work out what services could we use, how could we work with them really quickly, and how might we be able to deploy that at the rapid speed that the programme required. So the event's absolutely crucial really for trying to capture new organisations that might want to use Bluemix. It's helpful to try and make the IBM community aware of what people are actually using it for and what developers like us can actually bring to Bluemix and what we might be able to use it for.